Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode. Sarap day ride. Time check, it's 9:41 AM on a Wednesday. Day off pa tayo ngayon. And we're gonna meet up with George and Omar TV. And we're gonna go head out to Mount Charleston. Samahan nyo kami. Hahanap tayo ng lamig at I mean, it's alright. It's 91 degrees in Vegas. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun sa Celsius, pero it's better than it has been. Kaya makapasok lang ng ride. So we're planning to have a brunch up in Lee Canyon. So yung usual spot na pinupuntahan namin, mas aakyat pa kami farther up. So come join us and let's have some fun. Wow, nakakamiss ang multistrada. Haven't used this bike in a month, maybe more, maybe 5 weeks na actually. Sarap. Kahit medyo mainit-init na. 93 degrees, that's 2 degrees up. Hopefully nandito na sila, pero medyo maaga tayo. It's 9:51, we're 9 minutes early. Pero knowing George, lagi na umaaga yun eh. Baka nandyan nagagas na siguro yun. Kasi ano naman breakfast or brunch ride naman ang plano today. So we're hoping na 11:30 nasa taas na kami. And then we're just gonna eat, relax ng konti, and then after that baba na rin siguro kami. We should be home no later than 1:30 or 2 o'clock. O yun, si George. Haha. Oh shit, maaga. Ako pa pala huli. Andyan na si Omar TV. We are here. Naman ikakarga natin siguro wala pa tong $10. So maybe it's more than $10. Oh, see, taas. Okay, 9.93. Sabi sa inyo wala pang $10. Yo.
There you go.
Here. Okay, we're rolling.
So I guess Mr. George took the Goldwing out. We were expecting the R1.
I know.
I'm gonna sell it.
Nice.
Sell it for what?
The multi.
Wow.
You're good.
KSU at 10:01. Not bad.
96 degrees so far.
Wow, mine is cooler today, huh? I'm at 95.
I'm at 102. I don't know what kind of movies you guys are in, but shit. Anyways, limit on the freeway 65. 70 acceptable.
Okay, we'll stick at 70. Oh, sorry, I'm at 71. Well, that's technically 65 for me.
That's good. George is right there.
Man, this is quite faster than the Vespa.
It's a little bit 800 cc faster.
That's a lot.
Breathing on. You're gonna go EV soon?
Who?
George.
George EV? Shit, I don't think so.
No, I'll be dead when that goes on.
Biggest hater, man. JT.
Stop for rocks.
What the f-
Watch out for this fool, because he doesn't know where he's going. Oh, look at you guys go. Fuck you.
Oh, sorry. We thought you got it. My bad.
We're just very excited, George.
We got a company in the back, George. The Harley.
It's a cop.
Oh,
No.
really?
Yeah, he said it's a cop, and he's like, who's the one on the left side with the white and red helmet? Like, someone I know.
Here's my address. Here's my name. No, it's not a cop.
Asshole.
Hey, you can't say that on the vlog. Well, you're okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, Pogi keeps saying balls and shit, so I think you're okay to say that. Well, we have company. There's 4 of us now.
It's a group ride.
Yep, it's a group ride. It's officially a group ride now.
Somebody hit a burro? Or is it road work? Oh,
I
look
think it's road work.
some shit. High five this guy, but high five the sign.
STOP. I wonder what happened.
Probably road work.
Do Scottish people ride motorcycles?
I don't know why.
And if they do, they wear the kilts?
Stupid.
Yeah.
It's alright.
We're not with him though. Oh, nice, nice.
Hey, shout out who planned this.
Huh?
Shout out whoever planned this.
Why? Is that you dick?
George was like, is it really 10 o'clock?
Yeah, you
It's really
asked.
hot out.
Let's go earlier.
You asked that question at 9 o'clock, bro.
So what? Half an hour.
Alright. Pilot car, follow me.
At least you get a bit of breeze.
So is he a pilot then?
He's the pilot for the car. Follow me.
Mahasard ka pa, Mike, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Green, green, green.
Green, green, green.
Green, green, green. That's an R1.
Oh, yo. Shit.
We just wanted the breeze, man. We got sweaty.
Kaya ko na ka.
Ako na? Shit.
Clean rock.
Hello.
Oh, that's why you guys made me go first.
What?
Bomac's gonna go ahead. Bomac's gonna lead.
I'm gonna take you.
Yeah, go.
Set my pace because I'm the slow guy here.
That's a nice view up front.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna fun around.
75 now.
There you go.
Ski area.
Here we are at Lee Canyon.
Oh, mabato ski. Be careful, guys.
Yeah, winter time, it's bike park summertime. $69 degrees.
It's 71.
George favorite number.
69. Oh, nobody here.
It's fucking, it's not even 11 o'clock. You said that in the restaurant opens at 11?
Yeah. No, but I would think like the mountain bikers,
Oh, yeah.
the downhill bikers should be here.
Leave it on gear, Mikey.
Yes, it's on gear.
No e-brake? No e-brake?
Oh, my bad.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, we're here. We here. Not bad. What time was that? That's 45 minutes since we took off.
Yeah. Alright, let's have some brunch. Let's go.
Brunchy time, brunchy time.
Phone connected. Two group members connected.
What up, boys? Sorry.
Oh, we're good, we're good.
Good? Okay.
I got it.
Nope.
Yeah, go ahead, George. Alright, dumating na sila. Now we're gonna have some coffee.
Coffee sa tanghaling tapat.
Find the shady spots.
There's no shady spot. Or here, we can just do it here, no?
Just I'll back it in. Let me put it in reverse and
Fuck you. I ain't doing shit. Tanggal Kati ni Bomac TV.
Tanggal kati, guys. It's itchy. You gotta scratch it, George.
what are you talking about? Your ass?
Yeah, that too. That too.
Alright, coffee break. We're here at sa Mount Charleston Lodge. We're gonna find the seat somewhere here on the outside and have a
Free coffee.
fine cup of coffee.
Let's go.
I guess we're not done yet. We stopped at the Mount Charleston Lodge. Dito kami humihinto usually pagka gabi. Yung mga ride namin sa gabi dito yun. So now we're gonna take you here during the day. Dito kami magkakape. Show you guys what it is. Bro, the chocolate's unlimited. Talk about dessert.
Patay na ako.
Kita nyo ba si si Makmako? Tingnan nyo si Bomac TV. Slim.
Anytime siya to, sorry. Anytime siya nakapag-upload, guys. Busy.
Busy sa banyo.
Busy sa banyo.
Slim, bro.
Bye again. Bye again.
It's hot! Mainit, guys! So we finally made it back to Vegas. Nakababa na kami uli ng bundok. So quick ride lang naman sa Mount Charleston. Nagpalamig lang. It was me, Bomac TV, and George. Tatlong bikes lang kami today. Alright guys, so finally we are done. Tapos na ang aming ride sa Mount Charleston. We went with Bomac TV and George. Quick ride lang. Time check is 1:45. We left ng 10 o'clock kanina sa Shell gas station. So yeah, it's not too bad. Less than 11, 12, 1, 2, less than 4 hours. And I'm about 75 miles sa aking odometer. So that's it. Thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed our episode today. Palamig lang tayo sa bundok ng may araw. Maiba naman kasi puro gabi na lang yung ride natin lately dahil summertime nga dito sa Vegas. Alright guys, thank you. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace. Ciao.